And I gotta turn the fuck around. Okay, we'll put the pole on the other side. What up? It's Big B coming out here from Battleground Lake. I just caught my first ever trout from trolling in a kayak. And that was pretty awesome. It was a baby and I let it go. So anyways, I've got my rod holders coming from eBay and I'll be able to install those and make it a little easier to troll. This is my setup. Just got my pole in the water with a lure that I like. And I just caught one, so I know it works good. And you just fucking paddle around. Oh, I just got one, holy shit. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's a big boy. Holy crap. Whoo-wee. He's turning my boat around. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, no, he's not that big, but look. Oh, second fish from trolling, baby. Hell yeah. I'm gonna let him go too. Here we go. Here's number 5. Oh, he's gone. That's all right though. We got a big one.